Alright, let's go. I got a bottle of liquid nitrogen and a pot of fairly hot water, and let's go. Wow! Oh, oh my god, dudes. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. Wow. So cool. Let's place this here. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow. It's wonderful. Look at that. Look how far it reaches. Wow. That is wonderful. Really, really wonderful. Look at the plant over here. Filled with smoke. Yeah, that was fairly quick. That was fairly quick. Wow. And it's gone. Look at that. That was super quick. Actually, whenever you do this, make sure you open the window, because nitrogen is potentially deadly in very high concentrations, and if you don't get it out, if you don't open the window, you might have a little bit of hypoxia, and that's not good. Never. Because it can replace the oxygen in your lungs and prevent you from breathing, so make sure you always do that. But look at that. There's actually, I believe actually that is ice, or wow, yeah, I know what that is actually. That is a piece of dry ice, which is carbon dioxide, and I don't know, I've seen an experiment once from Veritasium, and he actually showed that if you pour liquid nitrogen on water, then there forms a layer of solid carbon dioxide. I don't know how that happens, but look at that. 2 minutes later and it's gone. Totally gone. So yeah, this is just a short, cool video. I had to dispose of my liquid nitrogen in a very fun way. So, goodbye.